This video tutorial I will explain encryption in Amazon S3, how to secure your cloud data. When you store data in Amazon S3, keeping it secure is essential. This is where encryption comes into picture. Encryption ensures that your data is converted into a secure format that can only be read and accessed by someone who has a decryption key. What is encryption? Encryption is like locking your data in a safe. Even if someone manages to access your S3 bucket without permission, they won't be able to understand the data unless they have the right key to unlock it. There are two types of encryption in Amazon S3. First one is server-side encryption. Second one is client-side encryption. First we will see server-side encryption. Amazon S3 encrypts your data after you upload it and decrypts the data when you download it. You don't have to manage the encryption yourself. There are three types of server-side encryption. Here you can see. First one is SSE-S3, which is default. In this case, S3 manages the encryption keys for you. Every object is encrypted with a unique key, and those keys are encrypted using a master key. The second one is SSE-KMS. KMS is nothing but key management service. You use AWS key management service to manage the encryption keys. This gives you more control over who can access your keys and provides auditing features. The third one is SSE-C, which is nothing but customer provided keys. You provide your own encryption keys and AWS uses your keys to encrypt and decrypt your data, but does not store those keys. Next one is client-side encryption. In this case, you encrypt the data yourself before uploading the data to S3 and decrypt the data after downloading. This provides maximum control since only you have the keys. Why we have to use encryption? The first point is data security. We have to protect sensitive information even if someone gains unauthorized access to your storage. Second point is compliance. We have to meet regulatory requirements for data protection like GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI-DSS. Third point is peace of mind. Knowing your data is protected in the cloud reduces risk. How does S3 encryption work? When you upload files to S3, you can choose to enable encryption. If you select SSE-S3 or SSE-KMS, Amazon S3 automatically encrypts the data for you. Whenever you access or download your files, Amazon S3 decrypts them, so you can read and use them as usual. There are different ways we can enable S3 encryption. The first one is S3 Management Console. When creating a new bucket or uploading files, you can enable encryption under the Properties or Object Details section. And the second way is using AWS CLI. You can enable encryption when uploading files using this command. The third way is bucket policy. You can set a bucket policy that requires all the uploaded data to be encrypted. Click on Create Bucket, provide bucket name. Here you can see default encryption section. By default, this encryption type is enabled. Server-side encryption with Amazon S3 managed keys. SSE-S3. Server-side encryption is automatically applied to new objects stored in this bucket. And if you want to change the encryption type, you can do that. I am using a default one. Click on Create Bucket. Bucket is created. Click on this. Click on Properties. If you want to edit the encryption, you can do it here also. Now I am going to upload the file. Click on Add Files. Here you can see the selected file. Click on Upload. Upload is successful. And here you can see this file is encrypted using this type 1 encryption, server-side encryption with Amazon S3 managed keys, SSE S3. Going to upload one more file. Expand the properties. Before uploading the file, you can specify the server-side encryption type. Click on Upload. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.